Managing your inventory is a challenge. Ellsworth Adhesives ePlus inventory solutions can help. Our RFID-enabled cabinet tracks which products are used without slowing down your employees, while our industry-leading TrackPoint software tracks inventory in real time and even reorders items before you run out. Here's how it works. Materials are stored securely in the cabinet. Each item is tagged with electronically stored information such as part number, lot number, shelf life information, and a unique serial number. Radio frequency identification, also known as RFID, is used to monitor the products in the cabinet. Stock levels are sent to TrackPoint, giving you an accurate snapshot of your inventory in real time. For employees on the production floor, the process is easy. They use a badge or touchscreen to open the cabinet. This limits access to only authorized personnel. Then, they simply take what they need. There's room for products of various sizes, from a single plastic tube to a 5-gallon pail or a case of product. Non-flammable and flammable cabinet options are available. Once they close the door, the RFID software scans the remaining items and sends a real-time transaction to TrackPoint. Within TrackPoint, inventory levels adjust for products being taken or returned. Specify the stocking levels you want to maintain, and the system will reorder items automatically. As an added solution, an ePlus on-site representative can ensure the cabinets are stocked and operating to allow your employees inventory access 24/7. ePlus RFID-enabled cabinets will help automate and simplify your processes for managing shelf-life-sensitive products, saving your company time and money. To find out how ePlus can help your company simplify inventory management, contact your Ellsworth Adhesives representative today.